methods that can be used to improve the accessibility of systems. So before we go into how to improve the accessibility of those who have impairments and disabilities, the World Health Organization has provided definitions for both terms. So an impairment is a loss or abnormality of psychological, physiological, or anatomical structure or function. And say for example, someone who has lost a limb either from an accident, that would be considered with them having an impairment. And disability is any restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity in a manner or within the range considered normal for a human being. So when improving the methods or creating the methods to help those who have disabilities and impairments, 4 factors are really taken into place. So visual impairment, cognitive problems, hearing and speech impairments, and mobility impairments. So to go into detail, visual impairments are from color blindness to vision deficiency. So this, hearing and speech impairments. So they could be partially deaf or completely deaf. Cognitive problems